This is a DIY special. If you got a front yard that is pretty darn bland, if you got a front yard that gets blasted with sun, if you know that you want to do the install and you don't want to hire somebody, but you don't have a lot of equipment, how can you put in a front yard landscape that doesn't look like a bunch of little bushes spread out and doesn't really look professional, like that professional touch? That is exactly what I'm gonna show you how to do in this video. This is going to be an absolute smoke show. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see, we've got a ranch style house here. It's a really nice house. I love the front porch. I love this entranceway. And this is one of the things that our client and I had discussed is they wanted a sidewalk that they knew would connect and kind of almost like hourglass out, boom, right up to that front door, and then go over to the existing driveway. They got a gravel driveway on the side. So as you can see, I'm putting in the sidewalk, I put in the beds, we got some nice curves, we're pulling those beds out away from the house, and then we made the sidewalk as a concrete because they are going to eventually have a concrete pad or concrete driveway somewhere along those lines. So I wanted to stay with that color theme. As you can see now, what we're starting to do is put in plants that we know are native to this area, which is zone, I believe 8 or 9, which is a pretty darn hot spot. She said everything just gets absolutely blasted. A dead giveaway of this is look at the grass. You know, the grass is not that green and vibrant because they get some serious heat. So we're going with some cactus, we're going with yellows and whites, which was the theme and the color that our client had discussed. These guys are some cypress on the ends. And then we also have some boulders. What I wanted to do was pocket in some boulders, and you can also manipulate the soil and then frame those with those yellow cypress. And then in the front, you see we've got some hinoki grasses. Putting those in nice and full right along the porch is gonna give this cozy, flowy vibe. It's not gonna hinder any height. So if you have a chair, table, whatever out there and you wanna sit and enjoy, you can obviously see out. Then we've got some oak grasses that we're doing to complement the color of the siding of the house. And then we put some arborvitaes in to frame along the windows to give some height but not block the windows. Finally, we got a beautiful planter with some perennials, and boom, all of a sudden, this thing is a cherry. Woo! Okay, that's the first time I've ever done that where I'm just like watching the thing and going. It's kind of a rapid fire thing. I hope that you like that style. If you did, throw a comment down there and say, yeah, you know, get to the point, bam, you put it in there. I like that. I figure with the shorts, that's the way to go. So if you like these kind of videos, make sure you go watch another front yard design right there. This is what we're talking about. Tips, tricks, ways to save you time and money. This is Bobby K saying creation is everything, so go out and create.